Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we've got a tube of water connected to a pipe. So the pipe is the larger one, the tube is the vertical one. The tube has 108 kPa. The atmospheric pressure is 98 kPa. We want to find the height of the water inside the tube. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Okay, so the horizontal one is the pipe. The smaller vertical one is the tube. And water is flowing through the pipe. Step 2, list all the givens and the unknowns. So they give us the pressure of water, which is 108 kPa down at the bottom of the pipe, and the atmospheric pressure is 98 kPa. The density of water is 1000 kilograms per meter cubed. We want to find the height of the tube. Step 3, find the formula for height using pressure. So we have the pressure of water is equal to the atmospheric pressure plus the pressure of the tube, which is separated into density, gravity, and height. So rho g h. We're going to rearrange for height. So it becomes h is equal to the water pressure minus the atmospheric pressure divided by the density multiplied by gravity. Step 4, find the height. So we just plug and play. So 108 minus 98 kPa divided by 1000 kilograms per meter cube multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by the conversion factors to get your units to meters. So your height is 1.019 meters. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you've never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. So click on the snipping tool icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search and then type in snipping tool and then click on snipping tool. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag your rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, then hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.